Choosing the perfect dirt bike for your child involves balancing excitement with safety, performance with durability, and power with control. After extensive research and analysis of the top-rated models on the market, we've identified 5 exceptional kids' dirt bikes that deliver on all fronts. From beginner-friendly 40cc models with adjustable speed limiters to high-performance 99cc bikes capable of handling teen riders, this comprehensive guide will help you make an informed decision. In this video, I will break down 5 best dirt bikes' key specifications, safety features, and ideal use cases, so you can find the perfect match for your young rider. Let's dive in. Number 1 is FRP OGM 40 Kids Dirt Bike. This is an excellent entry-level gas-powered dirt bike for young riders. Its 40 cubic centimeter 4-stroke engine provides reliable power without the complexity of oil mixing required by 2-stroke engines. With a top speed of 28 miles per hour, limited by an adjustable speed governor, this bike offers enough thrill while maintaining safety. The front and rear shock absorbers smooth out rough terrain, while the disc brakes ensure confident stopping power. Parents will appreciate the easy pull-start mechanism that lets kids get riding quickly. The sturdy steel frame and EPA approval make this a durable, environmentally conscious choice. Best for children ages 6 to 10 who are ready to transition from electric to gas-powered bikes. The main limitation is the lack of an electric start option, requiring some arm strength for the pull cord. Number 2 is Shulemin Kids Dirt Bike. This stylish 49cc 2-stroke dirt bike delivers authentic motocross excitement for young adrenaline seekers. The vibrant design with metal frame and comfortable high-rise seat cushion makes it visually appealing while providing a smooth ride. Reaching speeds up to 25 miles per hour, it features dual disc brakes for maximum stopping power and alloy handlebars for precise control. The one-click start system simplifies ignition, though the 2-stroke engine requires fuel mixture preparation. The compact 47.2-inch length makes it manageable for riders ages 8 to 12, though the louder 2-stroke engine may not be ideal for noise-sensitive neighborhoods. A great choice for kids progressing to more powerful bikes who can handle the maintenance requirements. Number 3 is XtremepowerUS 99cc mini dirt bike. Built to accommodate both kids and adults up to 185 pounds, this 99cc 4-stroke beast offers family-friendly versatility. The air-cooled engine delivers impressive torque while remaining fuel-efficient and EPA-approved. Low-pressure tires provide stability on rough terrain, complemented by a rear disc brake for reliable stopping. The sturdy steel frame withstands heavy use, though the 28-inch seat height may be challenging for smaller riders. With a top speed around 25 miles per hour, it's powerful enough for teens, yet manageable for supervised younger riders. The main advantage is its multi-age capability, though the weight makes it less portable than kid-specific models. Ideal for families wanting one bike that grows with multiple children. Number 4 is Deaathy 2-stroke dirt bike. The Deaathy 49 cubic centimeter 2-stroke dirt bike balances performance and safety for serious young riders. Its hydraulic disc brakes offer 30% better stopping power than many competitors, while the 360-degree suspension system handles jumps and bumps with pro-level composure. The aerodynamic polypropylene body comes in vibrant color options, and the memory foam seat ensures comfort during extended rides. With a 330-pound weight capacity and smooth acceleration, it accommodates growing teens. while remaining accessible to beginners. The 25 miles per hour top speed delivers excitement without being overwhelming. Maintenance requires two-stroke oil mixing, and the louder engine may not suit all environments. Perfect for aspiring motocross riders ages 10 plus who want authentic features in a youth-size package. Number 5 is Fenhie Kids Dirt Bike. Fenhie's 49ccr 4-stroke dirt bike combines style with substance for young enthusiasts. The sleek design features dual bright headlights for visibility and anti-slip handles for secure grip. Unlike many two-stroke competitors, this 4-stroke engine runs quieter with less vibration while still reaching 25 miles per hour. The hydraulic shock absorbers and adjustable handlebars customize the riding experience, while dual disc brakes provide confident stopping power. The comfortable seat cushion encourages longer ride sessions. At 55 pounds, it's lightweight enough for kids to handle, yet sturdy enough for rough terrain. So NW, the final recommendations for beginners ages 6 to 10. The FRP OGM 40's speed limiter and 4-stroke reliability make it the safest choice.